To animate in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the video or media you want to work with. CapCut is a versatile video editing app that offers a range of animation tools and features. First, import your media into the timeline by tapping the plus icon and selecting the files you want to use. Once your media is imported, you can begin to arrange it in the timeline. To add animations, select the clip you want to animate and tap the Animate tab. Here, you will find a range of preset animations, including fade, slide, and rotate. You can also create custom animations by adjusting the keyframe settings. Keyframes allow you to specify the starting and ending points of an animation, giving you full control over the animation process. To add a keyframe, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and adjust the settings as needed. In addition to keyframes, CapCut also offers a range of other animation tools, including transitions and effects. Transitions allow you to smoothly move between clips, while effects can be used to add texture and interest to your animations. To add a transition, select the clip where you want the transition to start and tap the Transition tab. Then, choose from a range of preset transitions, including dissolve, fade, and slide. When animating in CapCut, it is essential to keep your animations simple and subtle. Overly complex animations can be distracting and take away from the overall message of your video. Best practices for animating in CapCut include using animations sparingly, keeping your animations consistent, and experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your video. By following these steps and tips, you can create professional-looking animations in CapCut that enhance your videos and engage your audience. With practice and patience, you can master the art of animation in CapCut and take your video editing skills to the next level.